friends, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to walk around Old Mill Square here in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I'm going to take you guys with me. We're going to check out the general store. We are not going to eat at the restaurant. They have a restaurant here. Amazing old-fashioned country style, old home cooking food. That's what I should say. Like pot roast, chicken fried steak, amazing biscuits. It's been a few years since we've eaten there, but the food is good if you've never treated yourself there. So behind me is the Old Mill restaurant and the general store. And I believe the Old Mill dates back to 1830s. That's pretty old if you ask me. And it is one of the most photographed mills in America. There's your fun fact for the day. But we're gonna go to their general store. Whenever we are in town, I love to visit the general store and pick up some grits. Love their stone ground grits. They also have different types of flours, which are really cool. I think they have an option. I want to say it's more of a healthy type flour. I don't know. I want to say not as, I try to avoid gluten as much as possible. So that's usually the best route I go whenever we're here in town. Try to pick up that stuff. Recommend the grits too. And if you cook it with, like, instead of using water, I either use chicken stock or I'll use milk, lots of butter. Oh, so delicious. But anyway, so we're going to pick that up. We're also going to visit the creamery here. They have some delicious ice cream. Last year we were here and I was pretty much hitting the butter pecan one too many times. I went back home a few pounds heavy, but hey, you're on vacation. What are you going to do? So, and I love hand-churned ice cream. Nothing like homemade ice cream. It is creamy and delicious. So we'll see if they have the butter pecan. Now, the past couple years, they opened up a distillery here. Beautiful gift shop in there. So we're going to walk around there, check that out as well. See what's new. The other day we came here on Labor Day weekend, Sunday, the day before Labor Day. It was so packed. They had live music going on and everything, but I wasn't able to create a video because there was just so many people. It was crazy. But all right, well, join me for this little adventure. Grab your favorite drink, favorite snack, sit back, and let's do some shopping. We're making our way into the general store. Outside, see what they got. See what we can find. What kind of goodies in there, and jellies and jams. Oh. Love the smell of the candles in here. Hello. Well, that's really cool. Candles and stuff. Now, usually over here, yep, and they're still there. This is my favorite part. All the jellies and jams. This is a salted caramel pecan honey butter. Ooh, that looks amazing.
So I think it's this way.
They also have a dark chocolate pecan honey butter. Great selection of honey butters. Ooh, a caramel apple honey butter. Oh, that sounds good. Okay, at the end I'll share with you guys what we buy. And the classic apple butter. Really good. Ooh, I don't know about that caramel apple butter. We'll have to try that. Great selection of jams. You have a blackberry mountain jam. This looks good. Like I mentioned before, guys, I love putting these kind of jams and jellies on my charcuterie boards. And I think it's fun. And then you can share with everybody, your friends and family. Just say, hey, I picked this up in Gatlinburg. Or in Pigeon Forge. We're actually in Pigeon Forge. So this is a blueberry mountain preserve. Yeah, that looks good. Apricot. I don't know how I feel about apricot. You guys like apricot? Oh, you know what's really good is the habanero. Oh, the peppery peach. Any of the jams that have a little spice in them, they are so good. And actually, you could take one of these. Let's see, this is the red mild pepper. Now, they're not usually spicy at all, so don't be afraid. But top this over some cream cheese and serve it with crackers. Yeah, you'll thank me later. A little bit of spice, a little bit of sweet, the crunch of the cracker. It's so delicious, so good. Here's a hot pepper mountain jelly. Really nice. Oh, and they have a great selection if you are into like your Stanley cups. These are nice. I've been loving my Stanley lately. It was actually for my daughter, but I ended up keeping it for myself. So this one says Old Mill Pigeon Forge. And then they also have some fun ones here. Oh, these are really fun. They're kind of like sports themed and everything. So really great. Nice gift ideas in here. And then if you're into all the different kinds of pickles and relishes, Hot chow chow. What is hot chow chow? What is that? That I'm not familiar with. Oh, it's like some type of cabbage. Cabbage and vinegar. I wonder if it's like a kimchi. Stuffed olives. Quail eggs. That's interesting. Oh my gosh, they have some nice. Yes. Oh, what have we got here? Pure honey. Hold on, let's check that out. Let me zoom in. Weber's 100% pure honey.
Can I get it?
Yes, I'll let you get that. That looks good. Is it local? Yep, it is. Savannah, Tennessee. Perfect. We always try to pick up like local honeys and such. All right, so they have a good selection of barbecue sauces. Oh, and dressings. Okay, there was this one restaurant I used to eat at. What am I talking about? I was a server there, and we had like a strawberry poppy seed type dressing. So delicious. Again, if you're a big fan of that sweet and tangy style, you will love that kind of dressing. Medallion onion poppy seed. That sounds interesting. Very good. But yeah, big selection of pickled products, pickled carrots, spicy dill beans, and then your salsas. Can't go wrong with a good classic salsa. Here we go. The Five Amigos pepper salsa. Mango lime salsa. Very cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, what is back there? Oh my goodness. Okay, so if I did not mention, let me see if I can zoom in. Sorry for the glare, guys. But this is actually a running grist mill. It still runs to this date, the longest continuous running mill out there. And like I mentioned, I like to pick up my grits here because it just feels special being that it's grounded here and whatnot, and the flowers and everything. And let's make our way to my favorite section. They actually have buttermilk pancake mixes, so that's cool. You also have some waffle mixes. I don't have a good waffle, what do they call those? The waffle makers. They always stick too much for me, but for pancakes, those are always fun to make. And they also have an apple cinnamon pancake mix. Maybe we'll take home a pancake mix. Like I said, I came for the grits, so I haven't done pancakes in a while. And then a wide selection of syrups. You have apple butter syrup. Okay, that's got it. I'm intrigued by that one because I always get the apple butter. So I'm curious about the apple butter syrup. Blackberry syrup, cinnamon maple syrup. Okay. I see you, syrups. I see you there. And then what's over here? It looks like they have some kind of menu here. Hang on, let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. So yeah, I wonder if it's just, kind of can't read the writing. Oh my gosh, it's that old school beautiful cursive writing. No one writes like that nowadays. But yeah, it looks like there's some recipes, some Miller's Notes. That's what they're calling it, Miller's Notes. Very nice. And if you are watching, you know how much sugar you guys eat, they do have some sugar-free syrup options, which I think is really cool. Definitely very cool. Oh, okra. Okay. Okra breading. Who loves fried okra? That is, whenever we go to a restaurant that has fried okra, I'm always all over that. I love fried okra. So good. A fried chicken breading. Fried chicken breading. Cannot beat that. And read that, guys. Pause the video and you can read that and give you all the details about the Old Mill. Very cool. Love all that. Yeah. All right, some soup starters. You know what would be a great gift idea is buying a bunch of these items, like your soup starter. They also have a loaded baked potato mix. That'd be kind of cool to kind of put it together in like a little basket. You'd have great gift ideas. There's also a corn chowder soup mix. Really nice. They also have some broccoli cheddar over there. That would be such a good gift idea. I mean, we're in the beginning of September, but you always got to think about the holidays. Or maybe you're at, have someone watching your pets or whatnot, watching the house while you're away. Nice little keepsake item or a nice little gift to give to them. All right, guys, I came in closer towards this Miller's Notes, and it's giving you a little bit of history of the Old Mill store here. Looks like it was on the National Registry of Historic Places. Really cool. Yeah, lots of little notes here. And like I said, you can just pause the video. Right below it, this is what I wanted to mention before I forget. Yes, it's the cornmeal. I pick up the self-rising cornmeal. This is good stuff. I'm not going to pick up some most likely this time because I do have it at home already. And then they also have a white cornmeal. And if you're looking for some great lotions, they have a good selection of goat milk lotions. This one is berries and cream. Really nice, great selection here. They also have handmade soaps.
Can I get some goat milk?
Yes, you can get some goat milk. How about we'll try the, although that lavender sounds really nice too. That's nice. This soap smells so good, guys.
Oh, I need some of that for the lips.
Yeah, I do need some of that. What is that, Badger Balm?
Badger balm.
Badger Balm.
Lip balm.
Lip balm. And it would not be a gift shop if they did not have a good selection of t-shirts, which they actually do here. This feels nice and soft. What I like about it is it's not that overly printed stamp where they kind of print on store. Just don't like the feel of those types of shirts, but there's a great selection of shirts here. There you go, historic Old Mill. Nice, cute. And then Smoky Mountains with, oh guys, look how cute that is. You got a mama bear and a baby bear. How cute is that?
You gotta get the camera.
Where?
Yeah, that one.
There's a camera?
See a camera.
Oh, I kind of like that one. Okay, guys, if you did not know, I am actually a wedding photographer. Brandon and I are wedding photographers. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's the camera, and then the bear's kind of walking into the forest through the camera. Take only pictures, leave only footprints. Very nice. Love that. That's awesome. Very cool. Very cool. And then, of course, a great selection of keychains. Oh, okay. Look at these. It's vintage. I feel like vintage is having a moment lately. I've been seeing a lot of vintage items at some of these stores. Like the little compass, little pocket watch. Really cool. All right, I think we're going to make our way to our next stop. We'll stop by, I think we'll head out next to the distillery. I want to show you that gift store in there.
Ice cream?
Yeah, you'll get ice cream in a little bit. Hello. Oh, thank you. I got that for you. Yeah, thank you, thank you. I love this gift shop. I think it smells so great. And if you're looking for some moonshine, well, they have it here for you. All right, all the sports fanatics, game day cherries, Rocky Mountain whiskey, really cool. And then here, what is this? This is a blended bourbon whiskey.
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful bottle. I think this gift shop is absolutely beautiful. Never bought anything here, but it's still very nice to walk in. Oh, and then they have some sweets and some jellies here. Oh, what is this? Oh, a moonshine jelly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so whenever I go, subject change, whenever we're in Gatlinburg at Old Smoky Candy Shop, I'm always getting the moonshine chocolate there. So I'll have to create a video for that. Then they have a moonshine cake. Ooh, that sounds good. I'm intrigued. I wonder if it's like a rum cake. Have you ever had like a Jamaican rum cake? It is to die for. When I was younger, my grandma used to make rum balls all the time. Oh my gosh, they were so good. Sometimes she'd have recipes where I'm like, I think you can get drunk on this. Be a little heavy on the rum here, but yeah, this is a pretty cool store. And there's actually a bar here, so you can purchase stuff from the bar. Like I said the other day, they had live music going on. This is so cool. Check this out in the back. The distillery. That's cool. Yeah. Okay, so this is part of the Tennessee Whiskey Trail. If anybody's familiar with that, let me know. Great selection of moonshine, so you don't have to go all the way down to Gatlinburg. And this is the Old Forge Distillery Moonshine Oatmeal Cookie. That sounds actually good. Have you guys ever done the tastings at some of the moonshine place? I think you just pay maybe $5, $10 and then you get to taste them. Do little shots of them. They'll tell you what kind you're tasting and everything. Okay, so this is vanilla bean, and then we also have wild cherry. I'm not usually a big fan of the cherry flavors. They can kind of taste a little like medicine, so but I don't know. And then of course the lemon. Oh, the orange. That sounds good. Maybe if you top this off, like just put a little soda pop in there, that would be tasty. Very cool store. Very nice. We are headed over to the Pigeon River Pottery, see what's new over there. We're going to make our way into the pottery store. Now, I've actually been here before. It's been about a year. Oh, I love all these pieces. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this owl. He is adorable. Let's see, he's priced at $75. Oh my gosh, he's absolutely beautiful. Love all the handmade pottery. Really nice. Oh, look at that. He looks like a little wolf. A little wolf there. Like I mentioned, you can watch them making the pottery, and I believe they do offer classes that you can take pottery classes as well. I got 1 scoop of the butter pecan. What'd you get? You got 2 scoops. You got
Reese's peanut butter
Reese's
cup,
peanut butter cup
Reese's and caramel fudge.
and caramel fudge. Ooh,
Hey, can I
yeah.
have my ice cream?
Yeah, you can have your ice cream back. I'm sure this tastes just as good as I remember. Nice and creamy. So delicious. I love homemade ice cream. It's just so much creamier. Wish you guys could taste this. So good. Highly recommend it. Well, we're going to enjoy our ice cream right now. Actually, a couple items I want to share with you guys that we picked up. They have the jams wrapped up here. This I picked up at the Old Mill store. What else I got? Oh, so we did get the pure honey. This was $8.99, and this is packed and made. Okay, so this is made in Pigeon Forge. Yeah, it says Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So nice local honey. And then I got a couple jellies to share with you guys. I did pick up a spicy jelly. Like I said, if you take the spicy jelly, top it over cream cheese, serve it with crackers. Easy, delicious appetizer. So your friends and family coming over? Yeah, so I went with the habanero blackberry. I love blackberries. It reminds me of when I was younger at my grandma's on the farm. I'd kind of just ride out on the 3-wheeler they had back then when they were legal and pick the wild blackberries that would grow on the tree. So I went with the spicy one because I thought, ooh, well, you cannot go wrong. Like I mentioned, the sweet and spice is so good. Okay, and then the next one I think I picked up was just a regular jam. This you could top right on top of your like oatmeal. Oh, you know it would be good to put it right on the grits. Yeah, apparently I love that sweet and salty combination, just like the butter pecan. My butter pecan is melting, getting nice and soft. All right, and then this one I went with the wild blackberry. The wild blackberry mountain preserve. Really cool. Really nice. So, well, friends, I hope you enjoyed this little shopping excursion, and next time you are in Pigeon Forge, make your way over to the Old Mill Square. You will not be disappointed. There's lots of little goodies here. You can eat lunch, you can eat breakfast, dinner, get some ice cream after. There's also a candy shop that we did not make our way to, so maybe next time. But thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.